Hey guys, kakauwi ko lang ng bahay, galing akong church. And later ng 2 a.m., alis na ako. Pupunta akong airport. Later ng 2 a.m., alis na ako kasi pupunta na ako ng airport. I'm going to Taiwan. And 6 a.m. yung flight namin. Pero, makakarating kami doon at 8 a.m. And then, yun nga, so alis ako ng 2. Actually, last week pa ako nakapag-pack. Kaya lang, may mga kailangan akong idagdag. And may mga, syempre, yung mga essentials ko pa. Hindi ko pa kasi siya pwedeng ipasok last week kasi gagamitin ko pa siya, diba? So, yun. Ayusin ko lang gamit ko. So, guys, yan. Nakabihis na ako and tapos na ako maligo. This is my airport fit. So, mamaya pagdating sa Taiwan, magpapalit pa ako ng damit kasi mainit for sure. Magme-makeup lang muna ako. So, a little short get ready with me. This is my favorite serum from Dalba. Nasa maleta na yung mga mini Dalba ko. By the way guys, I don't use base for my makeup. I just use sunscreen. And I guess it's good naman. Hindi lang talaga ako gumagamit ng base. So siguro ano lang, light lang. So I'll be using my Flower Nose na eyeshadow. So guys, ayusin ko pala yung bag ko kasi ito ang dadaling kong bag, yung favorite ko. This one is from H&M guys. I bought this sa Japan. This is, nabibili lang yata talaga siya sa Japan, H&M. Kasi sa mga H&M dito sa Pilipinas, wala. Wala akong makitang ganyan. I think I've seen one, color brown na parang suede na leather. I mean na tela. Pero sa MOA lang and sa other H&M wala na. Pero I also brought other bags. I brought my diesel bag and my other baguette bag from You. So watch me struggle. Kasha ba to guys? So it's a thing kasi na ginagawa namin pag nagta-travel. Nilalagay namin yung hand carry na maleta sa loob ng check-in. Kasi para pag nag-shopping, diba? Hindi kami bibili ng isa pang maleta. So guys, we're here in Taiwan already, and we're just gonna go to the transportation sa transport para magpunta na kami sa hotel. Sakay na kami sa train. Chicken rice. This is my first meal of the day. Actually, hindi naman. Kumain ako sa airplane. We are at 2nd Street. Hi guys. We're here at Popeyes. Yan yung intestines. We are here at the night market. Actually, marami nang sarado. And we're buying ihaw-ihaw. Wala. Got the goods. We're here at this train station. Damage has been done. Actually, nag-shopping na ako sa Zara kanina kasi sale. And actually, ang mura nila dito ha. Lalo na sa Zara kasi 1,490 NT, which is like around 2,000 pesos in the Philippines. 2,000 pesos na eh. Anyways, it's like 2,000 pesos for 3 good products from Zara. And usually 2,000 pesos in the Philippines is like one nice jacket. So yeah, it's really worth it. Anyways, we are at GU. Medyo pricey yung GU nila dito, not gonna lie. Or maybe sakto lang. I think sakto lang din sa Japan. So we tried the milky donut, crispy milky donut. Lasa siyang picho. Sarap. Pero masarap. Masarap siya pero lasa siyang picho.
Ka-vlog ko sa Pasko yung atin.
OA. Ang OA. OA.
Dito ba kayo wala kang gusto? Pangamadan?
We are at Ximending.
Kala ka din.
1, 2, 3. Special. Guys. Shaolong Baos. Ang cute. Gusto ko nito. You guys know na merong ganito sa Green Hills dati, sa Promenade. Pero tinanggal nila. Siguro nung di pa siya kasi sikat. Around 2019 lagi akong bumibili doon. Ngayon, tinanggal na nila. Dito na lang meron sa Taiwan. We are at Pop Mart. I'm ordering eel, tsaka yung may glue doon. Favorite ko kasi ang eel.
Ay, pwede, big na.
So, kakagaling lang namin ng donkey. Ang init sa loob eh.
Saka siya lang.
Ayun lang, dito lang. Huh. We're at Ximending. Good morning. We are on our train station. Stop! It is our 3rd day and we're going to Gloria Outlets and then later gabi magpupunta kami sa Taipei 101.
Sorry guys, wala lang content yung ate ko.
Nandito kami sa Crimea. Yung cone niyan is lengua. Tapos yung ice cream niya kalasa nung Tokyo milk cheese. We're here at Gloria Outlets and this is my lunch. Orange chicken. Ito kami.
Parang may wasabi. Ay, ayun, wasabi.
Parang green belt lang. Diba?
Last price is how much?
Big girl purchase at Coach.
Okay, ako. Walang... Yun, yun.
Hey guys, so I am home. I'm alone right now here sa hotel kasi kumakain pa sila sa McDo. Muna na ako sa room. Anyways, sobrang hirap mag-vlog kapag mainit yung bansa. Kaya hindi ako nakapag-vlog kanina masyado. Pero we went to Taipei 101 already. Nagpicture kami dun sa famous spot, which is yung famous restaurant doon. Restaurant dun yung, basta it starts with letter Z. But it's the Japanese restaurant. If you want to go there, use that pin. But to sum up our activities today, we just went to Gloria Outlets, bought a few stuff, and then went to Taipei 101. Tomorrow we're gonna have a tour, which is yung famous tourist spots, which is the Jiufen village and Shifen. So I'll update you guys. But anyways, not to compare again, pero I just want to share with you guys. But ngayon, I'll show you what I've bought. So ito na lang muna yung mga nabili ko sa outlet. So I bought shoes from Charles & Keith. And I also bought a new bag sa Coach. This one is a big girl purchase. It's my first big girl purchase.
So, good morning. 早安. We have friends from all over the world, right? 世界各地来的朋友哈。We have friends from Hong Kong, 香港的朋友。
So we're here in Shifen Waterfall. And this is the parang souvenir shop. Look at the lanterns. Umiilaw talaga siya. Look oh. Kakagaling lang namin dun sa Maze Lantern. And we're here, may malapit na store dito. Bumibili sila. Sobrang init. Diyos ko.
One, bitaw na.
Go check it out, okay? Trust me, you will like it. The one you are giving to, they will like it as well, right?
I woke up and we're here in Jiufen. May cafe dito sa Jiufen. And sobrang init sa labas, kaya nag-stay muna kami dito. Hindi nyo kakayanin. Tignan nyo yung init. Bakit kaya? Tataka ako. Bakit tanghaling tapat yung tour? Dapat siguro mga pahapon. Kasi okay naman ang gabi yung Jiufen eh. We are here in Jiufen, Xingputang. Sobrang sarap ng mga free-taste. Nabubusog kami sa mga free-taste.
Sabi, may pera pa ako sa tao.
Sarap.
Pa ka, big. Sama?
Sarap pa. Ano yan?
$10 lang.
Ah, cuttlefish. Cuttlefish.
Yeah.
Tanong mo kuya kung saan yung way.
Sobrang haggard ko na guys. It's our last day here in Taiwan. 10 p.m. yung flight namin. Nag-ikot kami kanina. And ang malas-malas ko kasi Bago pa ako makauwi ng Pinas, nagkaroon pa ako ng regla. My God.